Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Synop, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are going to discuss about linear inequations. So until then we discussed about the linear equation, right? That means we are taking any linear statement or linear expression with equal to sign. It becomes linear equation. We know that what is linear equation. So it is having a degree 1 equation is called linear equation. Am I right? Yeah. Now, same way, linear inequations means when you take degree 1 variable x or y, any one of the variable whose degree must be 1, and when you take the two expressions with the symbol of less than or greater than, that type of statement is called as linear inequation. For example, x plus 3 is a linear polynomial. X plus 3 is a linear polynomial because its degree is 1. Variable degree is 1. And with the symbol of less than, I am writing another expression 5. So this is called linear inequation. That means in the place of equals to, we can keep less than or greater than symbol. Okay, na? In the place of equation, we can use less than or greater than symbol. That is called linear inequations. Why linear? Because its degree is 1. Okay. Now it is having some properties. In this situation, to find the value of variable or to find the range of the variable. Okay, na? To find the range of the variable, here variable is x. We can use some properties. Like arithmetical operations we are using, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, na? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Yeah. That means to find the value of the variable or to find the range of the variable, for example, in the given example x plus 3 is less than 5, we want only x value. That means we have plus 3 extra, so we can subtract. To remove plus 3, we need to subtract 3 both sides. Okay, that is subtraction operation, minus we are using. For plus, adding both sides with plus term, subtracting both sides with the adding both sides, multiplication both sides to identify the value of the unknown. Okay, na? Like I think, so in 7th class, I think you have discussed that in a state syllabus or CBSE syllabus, we are using that trial and error method and transpose method or balancing method. Here also we are using the balancing method to identify the value of unknown or to identify the range of the value of unknown. Okay, right? Right. So let us see the concept based questions in this. Okay. Yeah. So first one, a statement of inequality between two expressions involving a single variable. When you take any two expressions having a single variable, both sides must have the same variable or any one of the sides must have the same single variable. Single variable x is called linear inequation. That is called linear inequation. So first one answer is linear inequation. Okay, na? So direct statement is given. Okay, second question, the subset of the replacement set consisting of those values of the variables which satisfies the given inequation is called the dash of the given equation. The subset of the replacement of set, that will be the solution set. Okay, na? Subset of the replacement of a set will be the solution set of the given inequation. Okay, right. Now question number 3. That is adding and subtracting the same number to each side of inequality, adding or subtracting the same number to each side of the inequality, then inequality sign does not change. For example, let me take this one. X plus 3 is less than 5. I am subtracting both sides minus 3. That means left hand side I use minus 3. Same way right hand side also I use minus 3. Okay now? Now plus 3 minus 3 becomes cancelled 0. So this value is 2. 5 minus 3 value is 2. But again I am adding. Subtracting or adding or subtracting both sides. Now again I am adding 3. X plus 3, 2 plus 3. So x plus 3 is less than 5. Again same inequality will come. The value of the inequality does not change because we are applying the operations. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations, right? Addition or subtracting, inverse operation. First we did addition or subtraction. Again we did add. Subtraction and addition both are inverse operations. So we are applying the both operations to the given inequality, then the answers remains unchanged. Okay na? That's where it does not change. So the first option will be your answer. It does not change. Okay na? Right. So let us move on to the next problem. So if 3x minus 2 is less than 1, fourth question, 3x minus 2 is less than 10. Now to find the value or range of the variable x, we need to do some mathematical operations or arithmetical operations, nothing but we want only x value towards left hand side. Remaining we need to transpose, but here transpose won't be work out because it is not an equality symbol. Okay, now here minus 2 will be there. To remove minus 2, we should add both sides plus 2. To remove minus 2, add to both sides. Okay na? So minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0, only 3x remains. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. Again, 3 is the extra element, 3 is the extra number with x. So to remove that extra number here, 3 is multiplying, then divide 3 both sides. Divided by 3 both sides. So denominator 3, numerator 3 cancel. Then x is less than 4. So 3 table 12 4 times. X less than 4 is our required answer. Okay na? So simply to identify the unknown value here, that means range or value, that is completely depends on the symbol. Okay na? The value can be, x value can be less than 4. To make this inequality true, this less than x value is less than 4. Okay na? Yeah. Now question number 5. Yeah. The fifth question is given that if 3x is less than 15, 3x is less than 15, where x belongs to natural numbers, capital N means set of natural numbers, then the solution set is asking. So here to identify the value, we want only x term towards left hand side. We have extra element also. What is that? 3. 3 is multiplying x. So to remove 3, we need to divide both sides 3. Okay? So numerator 3, denominator 3, 1 time cancel. 3 table 15, 5 times cancel. So what is remaining? X less than 5. X less than 5 means in the set of natural numbers. It is already given x belongs to natural numbers. That means natural numbers starts from number 1. So less than 5. Less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. X value can be any one of the number. It can be 1, it can be 2, 3 or 4 to satisfy the given equation. Okay na? Let us move on to the next problem. Right. Check this problem. So an open sentence which contains any of the symbol greater than or less than or greater than or equals to or less than or equals to or not equal to is called an inequation. Is called an inequation because you are using only the symbols less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, or not equal to. Whenever it is equal to symbol, it can be taken as equation. But without that equal to symbol, if you use any symbol, it can be considered as inequation or inequality. Okay, na? Right. So let us move on to the next question. Question number 7. Right. So when you look at the question number 7, it is given that a solution of 2 plus x, solution of 2 plus x is greater than minus 8. This value. Now again, identify the variable which side it is being left hand side, and just check any other extra terms are there with the variable. Yes, extra term 2 is there. To remove plus 2, we need to do minus 2 both sides. Then how to do? Subtract the 2 both sides. Okay, na? So minus 2, here also minus 2. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Left hand side only x remains, x greater than minus 10. X greater than minus 10 is our required solution. Okay, no? So greater than minus 10. Greater than minus 10 means in the given options, option is minus 9. While you are observing the options, that is minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 9. But x value greater than minus 10. Greater than minus 10 means what is the highest among? Means greatest among these. Only minus 9 is greater than minus 10. Minus 9 is greater than minus 10. Okay, no? Right. So let us move on to the next one. That is question number 8. Okay. Yeah. The value of x which satisfies both x greater than minus 4 and x less than 4. The value of x which satisfies x greater than minus 4 and x less than 4. Okay, now. So while you are observing the number line here clearly, I am taking the number line here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. According to the first inequality, x greater than minus 4. That means x value can be greater than minus 4. Greater than minus 4 means right hand side will be the greater than minus 4. Because in a number line, when you move towards the right hand side, the value will be increases. When you move towards the left hand side, value will be decreases. Okay, na? So greater than minus 4 means greater than minus 4 like this. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 like this. Any one value it can be. But also second inequality is given less than minus 4. Lesser than minus 4. So therefore x value can be minus 3 to 3. X can be minus 3 to 3. Okay, na? Greater than minus 4 and lesser than 4. So that is the question number 8. So according to your answer, the given options are minus 3 is the right answer. Among them, minus 3 will be the right answer. Okay. So let us move on to the problem number 9. The solution of the inequation 9x minus 2. Solution of the inequation 9x minus 2 greater than or equals to 16. Greater than or equals to 16. Okay. Check. Variable is being situated in left hand side. There are two terms. Let us remove the extra term minus 2. To remove minus 2, add both sides 2. Add both sides 2. Now minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Then 9x value is greater than 16 plus 2, 18. And in the x term, we have again extra element 9. 9 is multiplying the x. To remove 9, divided by x both sides. So 9 cancels. So x greater than or equals to 2. That means x value can be 2 or more than 2. That means x value can be 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Any value. Okay. So in your options, according to in your option, the option must be ninth question x greater than or equal to 2 only. So here the option is given. So that is our required answer. Okay. Na? So let us move on to the next problem, children.